Hello class, and welcome to Diet Theory. So it's really great to meet you all through your discussion posts, so thanks so much for posting those. We're going to spend the rest of the semester going one by one through a variety of different diet theories, starting with Ayurvedic medicine, working all the way towards some newer age diet theories such as the Atkins diet and South Beach and the Paleolithic diet. And I'm really looking forward to teaching you a little bit about each theory and allowing you to listen to experts from each theory. So from now on, you're going to see a few videos per week posted by experts in each diet theory. Some lists of vocabulary terms, especially this week with Ayurvedic medicine. A lot of the vocab in the videos is going to be new to you, so it's really important that you have a little cheat sheet up so you can understand what words like Agni and Dinachara and all these different words are that you're going to be hearing throughout the lectures. After each lecture, I'd like everyone to post in the discussion section based on some of the suggestions I have for discussion posts. You did a great job with that this week. And then I'd also love to see everyone's reflections really based on the requirements of the reflection that I will be handing out at the beginning of each week. So please let me know if you have questions. I'm so happy to meet all of you and to hear about each and every one of your diet theories. I'm going to be calling on a lot of you throughout the semester too. Notably there's a few people who eat a little bit higher protein diets. There's a few of you who follow a vegan or vegetarian or pescatarian type diet or have dietary allergies or restrictions. I'll probably be calling you out and I'll email you in advance later in the semester just to get your expertise and personal experiences with those diets. So please contact me by email or on Moodle if you have any questions. It's great to meet you all, and I look forward to working with you throughout the semester.